my channel. We are back again with very informative video. Today we are going to discuss about YouTube Creator Studio. It's going to be very helpful and useful for the ones who are going to start their YouTube channel or already has started their channel but are not able to understand its so I'll try my best to cover as much as I could do in this part. Other than that, I'll be posting another video with the part 2, but the points that will be discussed in this whole content will be about dashboard, content, playlist, analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright, monetization, customization, audio library. So I'll try my best to cover as much as I could do. Other than that, I'll be posting part 2 that will be posted next week. So let's get started. So firstly, we'll start with what is YouTube Creator Studio. Now, YouTube Studio is where you manage videos, analyze the performance of your channel, respond to comments you have received, and to start make money from your channel by adding ads to your content. Now think of YouTube Creator Studio as the backend of your channel, a place to measure, optimize and improve your videos for performance and growth, a bit like Google Analytics but for video. Moving on to the next slide, firstly we'll go with the dashboard. Now dashboard is the home page of your YouTube Studio. Here you get a high level overview of how your channel is performing with the latest video performances metrics, recent comments, channel violations and YouTube news displayed as various widgets on the user friendly interface. So moving on to the next point we have here is content. Just like previously known as video manager, the content tab is your go-to location for all the things video related. Here you can view all your video uploads that could be public, unlisted and private. Enable features such as monetization and optimize key elements of your video content for growth. Now for example, here we have is here's a quick overview of the meta data elements that you can optimize. Number 1, edit your video title. Number 2, edit your video description. Number 3, change your video thumbnail. Number 4, add tags to your video. And number 5, categorize your video. Now the third point we have here is playlist. Playlist and watch time are a match made in heaven because playlists are autoplay. This means that once a viewer has finished watching one video, another will automatically start and increase your watch time metric. Want to get more eyeballs on your YouTube content? Navigate to the playlist tab to organize, create and edit your playlist. Playlists play an important role in your growth strategy because they impact watch time value metric that YouTube uses to rank video content. Now for me, I'll just share a pro tip with you, that is YouTube allows you to link related content at the end of the video. To increase watch time for your channel, link out to a playlist by using an end card in your video. That will be very helpful for you. Now moving on to the next slide we have here is analytics. Now analytics has two essential metrics impact how YouTube rank video content. Number 1 is audio retention and number 2 is watch time. Now YouTube Studio comes packed with the analytics that help you understand what's working and what isn't in your video content so that you can make informed decisions backed by the data. Now these two essentials metrics impact how YouTube rank video content, that is audio retention and watch time. So keep your eyes peeled on both of these as you look to grow your channel. That is, retention measures how many viewers continue to watch your video after hitting play. After 15 seconds, if your viewer hasn't clicked away from your video, YouTube will measure the number of people who stick around and continue watching. This audio retention is important because it tracks points of interest in your video and shows when viewers abandon the content. Now, measuring this metric will indicate when your audience is becoming disengaged with your content and allows you to analyze why this might be. For example, is your introduction too long? Are viewers turning off when you change the topic, or do you introduce a CTA too early or in the video? Now, the points over here that will help you to increase your audience retention on YouTube, that is like, nail your intro. It's very easy, very simple. Let me just explain to you. Like just creating an engaging introduction to your video and pique your viewers' interest enough so that clicking away is not an option. OUTs, tell your audience why they should stick around by teasing what's coming up in the rest of the video. And the next point, get creative. Break up the monotony with the different camera angles, music changes, and exciting visuals to keep your viewers engaged from get-go. Now, to see your channel's audience retention, you just have to select the Analytics tab on the left-hand side of the YouTube Studio screen. Number 2, click on the video you want to analyze. And number 3, scroll down to view audience retention metrics. It's just very simple. Now here, moving on to the next slide, we have here is watch time. Now watch time tells you the total amount of time that people have spent watching your videos on YouTube. YouTube uses watch time as a factor that determines how your content ranks. Therefore, marketers need to measure and look for opportunities to increase this metric to impact rankings and grow their channel. Now, to increase your watch time, firstly you have to grow your subscribers. The more subscribers you have, the more likely they will watch your video content and increase your watch time metric. Number 2 is create quality content. Now focus on producing high quality content that resonates with your audience needs. There is no point in publishing fluffy videos that don't add value to your audience. Lastly but not the least, keep it short. The logical way to increase watch time is to publish longer videos, right or wrong? Viewers have limited attention spans, so keep your videos short and concise to encourage them to watch until the end. Now, to see your channel's watch time, first you have to select the Analytics tab on the left hand side of the YouTube screen. Click on the video you want to analyze and then click on the watch time hours to view this metric. Now, moving on to the last slide of today's video is comments. YouTube is a video channel first and foremost, but it's still important to create community and engagement on your channel. So use the comments tab on your YouTube Creator Studio to respond to comments quickly rather than going into individual videos. So YouTube also has a filter in the comment section that not only eliminates spam but also allows you to filter comments by subscriber count, whether the comment contains a question and a response status. So a very pro tip that I'll be sharing is that filter comments to find people with a high subscriber count who are interested in your content, and reach out to ask about a future collaboration to help grow your channel. So that's all for today. I hope you have liked the video and it has helped you to understand. If not, you could comment and ask me any question if you want to. Also, if you have not subscribed the channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon button to get the further notifications of new video. Thank you for watching and giving your time.